Hello everyone, welcome to Enlist Asia latest interview series. My name is Joey and I am the conference producer for Enlist Asia. Today, I am very delighted to have Mr. Bundit, the president of BCPG Group, joining us for the interview today. BCPG Group is one of Asia's Pacific leading renewable energy developers with solar power, hydropower, wind power, and geothermal power businesses in Thailand, Japan, Laos, the Philippines, and Indonesia. Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Bundit Sapianchai from BCPG Group.
All right, so I'm Bundit Sapianchai, the CEO of BCPG, the renewable energy company here in Thailand. Our parent company is Bangja Corporation, the one of the national oil company in Thailand. Okay, thanks for having me today.
What long-term impacts do you expect this crisis to have on the regional power sector?
Well, I think that people already experience a goodie parts of COVID.
Yeah.
We stop driving car to office. People stay home. You can see the beach become clean. The air quality is much better. The sky is blue. So I think people don't want this for temporary. They want this for long term. So I must say that this is what COVID has taught us. And from the policy point of view, I believe all the countries see that if we can stop doing things or for 1 month in a year, you can resume or you can make the environmental much better. But in our company, we do a green energy already. So I think this outbreak have made a clear path of a green energy development. All right. So I think the investor tend to do the green investment even faster, right? And but once all the activities come back, I think the balance between green and fossil based have to be reconsidered and redesigned.
What are the three trends you see impacting the industry most in the next 5 years? And how is your business aligning to capitalize on this?
Right. I don't know how many trends, but what I can see trend is people tend to connected less. The globalization is less. The localization become more. All right, and that means people rely on themselves. In our terms, we call prosumers. Prosumer means in the old days, people are the consumer only. All right. So today, if people can produce the electricity by themselves, rely on themselves, and also can produce and consume by themselves, that's the first trend that we call prosumer. All right. So we prepare ourselves on this trend for more than 2 years. So this COVID-19 are kind of a catalyst to accelerate the prosumer trend even faster. So we invent the product that serve this need, serve this new demand beforehand. So we be ready for that.
Okay, thank you. So which ASEAN market holds the most potential for your business and why?
All right. Okay. In this Asia Pacific Asian market, I think one of the most interesting place is Vietnam. Of course, China, India, they become big market already in the past.
Yeah.
But lately, Vietnam seems to be another place that have the beauty. They lots of production base from mainland China have moved to Vietnam. For example, Samsung, LG, Japanese investor to balance, not rely on mainland China only. So Vietnam will be the place where the production, all the new production will be put will put on these countries. So I should call it is a very emerging market. They need a lot of infrastructure, including electricity. Lately, in Vietnam, uh, they black out. The supply of electricity is not enough. So that's the opportunity we see.
Okay, thank you. So how will the pandemic impact your investment plans?
As I said, I uh, some we delay, some we still going on. We just start acquiring the stressed assets. You know, uh, during bad times there are always an opportunities. In Thailand, there are good assets like solar farm, very profitable, but the owner they need cash. So that's our opportunity. So we just acquire a very good asset in this period of time. So we keep growing the company, and the greenfield development, why it takes 2 to 3 years. I think by that time the situation will become better.
What do you see BCPG in the next 10 years?
Well, I'm retired already by that time. I think today it's already 5 years BCPG. So you're asking about another 10 years, right? So it's a 15 years company. I think our position today is pretty clear that we are a leading innovative green energy company in Asia Pacific. So I would say we can get a bit longer aspiration as a green energy company super major. A super major is a term of the oil company like Total, Shell, ExxonMobil, right? So the big five of the oil company, that's fossil, right? So how about green super major? I think for 10 years from now, I think we can set our goal to become a green super major.